Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by automatic dimming door mirrors, blind spot sensor, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.